Hey guys, I'm going to Florida in a couple hours and I'm packing some clothes right now and stuff, so I need to charge my Mac, I need to charge my phone, and I need to charge this camera battery because I literally have to leave out in like probably about 2 hours. It's gonna be fun, epic. I'm talking about beaches, a whole bunch of stuff. I ain't seen my sister in forever, so I'm really looking forward to that. So I'm just packing right now. So yeah.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Just got picked up in the limo, you know, doing it big. Doing it for the vlog. Doing it for the vlog. It's in Florida. I do it big.
Yeah, I don't know where you're going with that jacket.
What you mean? It's cold out here.
You don't smell like Uncle Bar, you know?
It's cold out here.
It's
Talking about
not
smell like
cold
my
out here.
dad. Man, say what up to the vlog, man. Vlog world. Where's that? Which part travel there? I see you, man. Sunday night.
I know, right? You can go to the beach tomorrow, huh?
Yeah, for sure, man. Just got to my sister's house, you know what I'm saying?
You have vlog?
Yeah, I got vlog. Let me get my face out the way, that look kind of nasty.
Yeah.
You don't know Florida life. But they want to take me got a strip club out that. You know what? Be a thing them a go on with them. See? Look at doing it for the vlog. It's my sister right here. Oh my god. Vlog world. It's like freaking Animal Planet back here. Watch this. Hey, why y'all got all this stuff though? What the turtle?
That's part of our business.
That's crazy as heck. What's in those cages over there? Big bunny rabbits and all that. Like what? That's crazy. I feel like I'm in Jamaica walking on this right here. Jamaica, Jamaica. So we about to head to the mall. We going to the mall or we going to the zoo? So I guess we walking. About to go catch the bus until we get a rental, you know. Some lady staring at me through her window and shit. Doing it for the vlog. Create memories, man. I'm creating memories. Walk into the mall. What you gotta say to the camera? About a mile walk.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
got killed. So far today been pretty chill. We just been relaxing, went to the mall, ate something. Tomorrow's supposed to be better, so I'm really looking forward to that. So yeah. So we about to go pick Keith up, not Keith, I mean Antonio up from the airport. Waiting on my auntie. Just got to her crib. Don't know the things at 30. About to go see my auntie real quick.
Yup.
Doing it for the vlog. There's a whole bunch of stray cats around here. And frogs. I don't got time for that.
Ain't no frogs around here. No, don't record.
Hello.
I'm full for being drunk.
What the fluff for it?
She's in her room. Knock on her door. I think it's
Back in the vlog. Doing it for the vlog.
That's full.
I got a cat. Hey. Hey, is this cat friendly?
You got out
I'm trying to pet the cat. I'm trying to see if he's friendly. Come
Why
here,
y'all
cat.
rescuing cats? What y'all on a rescue mission?
Come here, cat. I'm not too keen with cats. I'm scared of the cat. Antonio just came. But how's your flight, man? First time on an airplane?
Nauseous.
Nauseous. Best flight ever. In Florida for the first time. Beach tomorrow. My thing. What you have to say?
Smoke some weed. That's the fuck I got
She's what? Vlog girl.